This is Shur on Tefila. We are in Letziun. We got to the almost toward the end. It says Titen, Emet, Leyakov, Chesed Abraham, Asher Shpat Avitin, Emet, Eden. Titen, Emet, grant truth. Titen, Emet, grant truth. Leyakov to Yaakov, Chesed Abraham, and kindness to Abraham, Asher Shpat Avitin, Emet, Eden. That you swear to our forefathers, we make it from the old days from days of old. Therefore, this pasuk, if you notice, this pasuk is at the end of the Micha. In other words, Micha is one of the Nevi'im of 12 Esther, and before that, it's talking about Mikel Kamocha. The Navi, if you notice the Navi, talking about 13 midot of Rahman of Hashem, Mikel Kamocha, that's said by Tashrif. Now, at the end, after saying those, that's the last pasuk in Micha. It says, Titen Emet Yago, Chesed Avraham. In other words, once we finished up with all of the midot of Rahamim, then we talked about here the Zechut of Avot and the Perit of Avot. In other words, Titen Emet Yago, Yago is there, Chesed Avraham. Now, Asher Shpat Avitin, in other words, Emet is the Yaakov, because Yaakov is Ish Emet, Yoshev Ohalim. Chesed Abraham. Abraham was the one who is mitzvah, chesed, and kindness. And Abraham always felt that doesn't deserve any breed or covenant for the land of Israel. That's why it's mitzvah chesed. That's why I was wonderful. How should I know? That's the mitzvah of Abraham, chesed. Asher Shpat Avitin Meged, Asher Shpat Avitin Chasol Telas. That's Yitzchak. That's what who swear to Yitzchak, Shvat by the Agadat Yitzchak, that I would give them the land. Therefore, here is the Zechut of Avot and the Perit Avot who made it Avot. It's an interesting order. The order first is Yaakov, then is Abraham, then is Yitzchak. There's a Midrash that the Midrash says, when Abraham got redeemed from Kibshon Ha'esh, not from that fire that Abraham got saved, the Midrash says, really, HaKadosh who saved Abraham, B'schut Yaakov. What does it mean? Abraham got saved, HaKadosh who saved him from fire, not for his own merit and zechut, B'schut Yaakov, the grandson that he's going to have, Yaakov, HaKadosh who saved Abraham. Now, how do we understand that? In other words, Yaakov is, mitzvah of Yaakov is Torah, is Emet. Abraham is Chesed. Now, HaKadosh was saying that Chesed is not the final thing in itself. The final and what the purpose and the goal is to get to Torah. Torah, Emet, is the goal of everything. Chesed and Gehura are vessels to get to Emet, to get the truth. And finalizing the purpose of the creation is Emet. They were here, you are saying, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, give your Emet to Yaakov, your truth to Yaakov. And through that mitzvah of Emet, be Emet, in order right now, grant the truth and do whatever that the covenant that you made with the Avot, or grant the truth and save the Kahal Israel because of the truth, because of the promises that you made, or b'schut brit, or b'schut avot. And that the zechut came through Chesed Abraham. In other words, we want to make a building. For building its foundation, the foundation has to be Chesed Abraham. What does Chesed means? Chesed means that I don't deserve anything. Abraham felt he doesn't deserve anything. Once you make a foundation with HaKadosh Baruch Hu, with that I don't deserve it. How should I deserve it? I don't deserve. Then it's going to build up to come to Torah. But if it doesn't go with the foundation of Hesed, then nothing works. The Shavua to Yitzchak also comes through Abraham. That foundation of making it, in other words, in the building, we need foundation to make the building on. But the purpose of the building is not the foundation. The purpose of the building is having the building to be used. Therefore, it's very interesting. The foundation makes the building, but what we need, we have only foundation cannot be used. Foundation there's no purpose, there's no goal in the foundation. You need the foundation to have the building. But the building, the purpose of the building, here is estimated. The purpose is Torah, and the Zechut of Torah, which Baruch Hu would save us. And here, in the Tefila, it says, Titen, Emet, Leyakov, we are saying at the end of the Tefila, that Baruch Hu, please save us in the Zechut of Avot, and the Berit of Avot. If there is no Berit, the Zechut of Avot should help us, that Baruch Hu should bring the Geula for all Kahal Israel.